This is where I do all my wood cutting. I bring all the logs back with my tractor with the forks I showed you another video I made my forks. There's a whole pile of logs I gotta get cut up. I cut them all up in the same spot, that way all the sawdust builds up. My chainsaw don't get in the dirt near as much because I got a thick layer of sawdust. And over here is my wood stove shed. A lot of them I cut up right here with a little electric chainsaw. And I just lay them out here in a pile right in front of the wood stove. Here's my Taylor T1000 wood stove in here. It sits on a concrete pad inside the building. I'm out of the rain. Let me get a wider angle right here. I'm out of the rain when I go fill the wood stove. This thing's like 11 feet long. It's got a 3x3 firebox on it. I can set you up here. That's good. Okay. 3x3 firebox. Which is plenty big. You don't hit your hands on the stuff when you put the wood in there. The fire's in there. Burning great. Just throw big hunks of wood in there. You don't got to worry about cutting anything up small. Instead of cutting up a little firewood piece, you just throw them big ones in there. Cuts down the work. There's 8 pipes in the back here. I don't know if we can see that or not. See if we can see that. Inside the wood stove, all those 8 tubes back there in the back. Yeah, there's some creosote in here because it ain't been that cold outside lately. But there's 8 tubes in the back. All the gas goes through those. And in the back there's a secondary burn chamber in the back of the stove. I don't know if you can see that or not, but in the back of the stove back here, these things have got a secondary burn chamber on them back here, which is this black door back here in the back of the stove is with the insulation and stuff is all beside it. And that burns, it'll burn back here in the back as a secondary burn, and it comes back through the front of the stove, back through the water again. That's why I selected the Taylor, because it's got so much, they're pulling so much off the flue gases. And this little door above, here's the main door again, the little door above the main door is a stainless steel rectangle flue. I'll open it up. And all the you see the gases coming through right through there? All that smoke and everything, that's coming from the back of the stove now. All that flue went to the back of the stove. It turned around and come right straight to the front, and now it's going out the chimney. So you're getting a lot of heat off your flue gases. You're not getting on a lot of these other stoves. So it's a very efficient stove. There's wood on this side over here, but as you can see, I've taken the trouble. All this steel you see piled up right here along this side, there's a stack of firewood on this side of the stove over here. That's, you know, waiting for me. It's nice and dry when I need to use it. But there's steel all down the side of it. I do have a couple logs stacked in here in the back side right now, which is about 6 foot from the stove. But the main firewood rack right here is up off the ground also, so there's nothing normally sitting on the ground except these ones I just set in here right now. This stove's worked out great. I've had it for over 10 years, or somewhere close to 10 years, but it's worked out great sitting right in here. I'm out of the weather. I got a roof above my head. It's nice. It's raining. It's freezing rain. Snow don't get in here or nothing. It's easy to maintain. There's a whole stack of firewood right here on the side that I keep in reserve in case I need it. I don't want to burn all this wood. The whole thing's full of wood. The shed's completely full of wood right here. I don't want to burn it because it's just my reserve supply. I got plenty of firewood here, but I just cut it as I need it and keep this built up. If I'd ever get hurt, the wife couldn't cut firewood, so I just keep that in reserve so I'd have firewood to burn. But that's my T1000 Taylor wood stove. I love the thing. It saved me I don't know how much money every year. It heats my house, my whole entire house, which is like 2,000 square foot. House that sits way over there, and I heat a shop. My shop, which is over 2,800 square foot, and I heat all my hot water with this one wood stove. It heats it all. The shop right now, you walk in right now, it's 70 degrees in that building. 20 foot high in the peak. Actually, it's about 70 feet long, but it's 20 foot. I mean, it keeps it 70 degrees all winter long. It's just great. The whole house and shop are both insulated with cellulose insulation, 6 inches of cellulose insulation in the walls, which I believe makes a great difference. It's way better than that stupid pink fiberglass. They make furnace filters out of fiberglass. Why? Because the air goes right through it. But the best insulation you can get is a complete vacuum. There's nothing for one heat molecule to transfer to the next one. The second best insulation you can get is a total dead airspace. Well, fiberglass insulation, it does not, it's totally slow. It slows it down, but not near like cellulose. It really slows it down. Plus, cellulose is treated with boric acid, so bugs can't eat the stuff. It's fire retardant. Your house will last 1.5 times as long as a house insulated with fiberglass if it ever catches on fire. So you get a better chance of getting the house put out. Anyway, I'm going to show you my Taylor wood stove. Talk to you later. Bye.